Hello my esteemed viewers, welcome to my honorable channel. Today I'll be showing you how to register on Truecaller. You see something of this nature, then you say allow to. Then you can, when you see an interface like this, then you click get started. Get started is, if you are from Nigeria, it will automatically show and show also your country phone number code. Then you put your own phone number here. As I'm doing 080840 35005. Then you say continue. Then you're going to see a display of a message on your screen that confirm your number. Is this your correct phone number? Then you say confirmed. But if it's not, you can edit it. Then all these terms you have to agree before you continue. It's very, very simple. Now they will call you to confirm if this is your phone number, and if there's no need, then you find them down. You mustn't pick up. So it's the call that's coming in now. Hello. Yeah. Then a pop-up will come and I will say allow. Hello. What is coming again? You can just pick up, or you must pick up. Because even though you pick up, it will still quit. So the call is coming again. Let's reject. Yeah. So looks as if you want to call again. Okay, it's like something went wrong. It's taking me back. You can say continue, confirm it again, agree and continue. So on this now, I will wait for an SMS confirmation code and enter it. So I will patiently wait for that. So we are waiting for the confirmation code, and then we will enter it. So this one is taking too much time. We will wait. That's not come yet. That's not come yet. Wow. But this is taking too much time than usual.